DJI Ronin 4D Flex enables the X9 gimbal camera to be used without being mounted on the main body of DJI Ronin 4D. This is convenient for use in narrow spaces or for mounting to other carriers, providing more flexible and lightweight shooting methods. Loosen the gimbal ring and press the gimbal release button while rotating the gimbal counterclockwise to detach the X9 gimbal camera. Rotate counterclockwise to detach the protective cap of the Ronin 4D Flex main body connector module. Align the red marks on the main body connector module and the gimbal connector of Ronin 4D. Insert the main body connector module and rotate clockwise until it clicks to indicate the main body connector module is locked. Tighten the gimbal ring. Remove the cables of the Ronin 4D high bright main monitor. Loosen the knob of the cold shoe and detach the main monitor. Connect the display cable of the main body module to the display port of Ronin 4D. Tighten the screw. Make sure the safety lock of the Ronin 4D Flex gimbal connector module is in the unlocked position. Rotate the gimbal ring to the unlocked position. Remove the protective cap. Align the red marks of the gimbal camera, the Ronin 4D Flex, and the gimbal ring. Insert the gimbal and rotate the gimbal ring counterclockwise to the locked position. Push the safety lock to the locked position. Attaching the left and right hand grips. Insert the left hand grip into the hand grip adapter on the gimbal connector module and then push the lever all the way down. Attach the right hand grip following the same instructions. Remove the main monitor from the Ronin 4D main body. Loosen the screws of the main monitor pivot using a hex key. Attach the pivot to the lower mounting ports of the monitor and fasten the screws. Insert the main monitor to the cold shoe port and tighten the knob. Connect the main monitor cable to the display port on the Ronin 4D Flex gimbal connector module and tighten the screw. Press and hold the power button on the gimbal connector module to power on Ronin 4D. Press once to start recording. That's all for the installation and use of DJI Ronin 4D Flex. Thanks for watching.